If you're looking for a simple way to track your investments and stay updated on market trends, Google Finance is a powerful tool that's easy to use whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. In this video, you'll learn how to use Google Finance and set up your own portfolio step by step. To begin, open your web browser and go to www.google.com/finance. This will take you directly to the Google Finance homepage, where you'll find stock data, market trends, and the latest financial news all in one place. It's a good idea to bookmark this page so you can access it quickly whenever you want to check your investments. Once you're on the site, sign in using your Google account. You'll find the Sign In button in the top right corner of the page. Google Finance uses your Google account to save your portfolio and keep your data secure, so choose the account you want to use and enter your password to continue. After signing in, you'll see the option to create a new portfolio. This feature allows you to track specific investments and receive real-time performance updates. Click New Portfolio to start setting up your first one. Next, give your portfolio a name that clearly describes its purpose. For example, you might name it Retirement Fund, Tech Stocks, or Personal Investments. A descriptive name makes it easier to manage multiple portfolios in the future. Once you've entered the name, click Save to create it. With your portfolio created, it's time to add investments. Click Add Investments to begin. A search field will appear where you can type the name or ticker symbol of a stock, bond, or other security you want to track. Google Finance will display suggestions as you type, so simply click on the correct result when it appears. After selecting the investment, you'll be asked to enter details such as the number of shares you own or plan to buy. Enter the quantity accurately so your portfolio performance is calculated correctly. You can also choose the purchase date, which helps you track how the investment has performed over time. Once you've filled in the details, click Save to officially add the investment to your portfolio. You can repeat this process to add more stocks or securities and build a complete overview of your financial holdings. As your portfolio grows, you'll be able to monitor overall performance, review individual stock movements, and stay updated with relevant financial news directly within Google Finance. This makes it easier to make informed decisions and adjust your investment strategy when needed. You can also create multiple portfolios for different goals, such as long-term savings, short-term trading, or separate personal and business investments. Regularly reviewing your portfolios and market trends will help you stay on top of your financial progress and identify new opportunities. By following these steps, you now have everything you need to start using Google Finance to track and manage your investments effectively. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more tutorials for additional tips on improving your financial tracking and making smarter investment decisions.